In this video, journey with me to the beautiful city of Zadar, Croatia. Our adventure begins right here at the Zadar Cruise Port. Stepping off the ship, we quickly realized how easy it is to get into the city. Taxis were lined up just outside, and within 10 minutes, we were in the heart of Zadar's historic downtown. The short ride itself was a treat. Passing open fields and residential areas, you immediately get a feel for Croatia's relaxed pace and timeless charm. Before long, we were dropped right into the cobbled streets of Zadar, ready to explore. Zadar is one of those places where every corner feels like it belongs on a postcard. Narrow cobblestone streets lined with souvenir shops, jewelry stalls, and boutiques selling everything from handcrafted trinkets to local wines. The air carries the aroma of fresh bread and coffee, pulling you toward the cozy cafes sprinkled throughout the old town. Morning in Zadar is slow and laid back. Locals relax at little cafes, sipping strong Croatian coffee and enjoying fresh pastries. We decided to join them. It was the perfect start to the day. And if you're a cat lover, you'll notice plenty of stray cats strolling around, completely unbothered, as if they're part of the city's daily rhythm. As we wandered further, the sound of church bells filled the air. Following the sound, we came face to face with one of Zadar's most iconic landmarks, the Church of Saint Donatus. This Catholic church, originally built in the 9th century, was once known as the Church of the Holy Trinity. In the 15th century, it was rededicated to Saint Donatus, the Bishop of Zadar. Today, it stands as the largest pre-Romanesque building in all of Croatia and an incredible example of early Carolingian architecture. Surrounding the church are the remains of the Roman Forum, a reminder of the city's long and layered history. Just across from St. Donatus is the monastery of St. Mary, founded in 1066 by Chica, a noblewoman of Zadar, with ties to the Croatian royal family. The grand three-nave church that stands here was built in 1091, and its Romanesque bell tower is a masterpiece on its own. Leaving the churches behind, we headed toward the waterfront. Along the Adriatic Sea, the atmosphere shifts. White stone walkways, beachside cafes, and people soaking up the sun. Zadar has this incredible balance between historic architecture and relaxing seaside charm. No visit to Zadar is complete without soaking in the beauty of the Adriatic coastline. Just a few steps from the old town, the scene completely transforms. You're greeted by white stone promenades, turquoise waters, and small beaches where both locals and tourists gather to relax. One of the most popular spots is Kolovare Beach, only a short walk from the city center. Here you'll find a mix of pebbly and sandy areas perfect for a refreshing swim. The water is incredibly clear, and pine trees nearby offer plenty of shade. Along the way are cafes, snack bars, and even a few lively beach clubs if you're looking for a more energetic vibe. One of the most unique experiences in Zadar is found right here, the sea organ. Designed by architect Nikola Basic and opened in 2005, this remarkable installation transforms the movement of the waves into music. Beneath the marble steps are a series of tubes and resonating chambers that create harmonic tones as the sea moves in and out. The result is an ever-changing natural symphony. The sea organ is both art and science, blending architecture with nature in a way that's hard to describe until you hear it for yourself. It's no surprise it won the European Prize for Urban Public Space in 2000. After enjoying the sounds of the sea organ, we slowly made our way back toward the town square. Along the way, we passed even more inviting cafes, ice cream shops, and restaurants serving up everything from seafood to traditional Croatian dishes. Zadar really is the kind of place where you can spend the whole day just wandering, discovering hidden gems at every turn. We ended our outing the perfect way, sitting at a cafe in the square, enjoying a cold soda and a refreshing spritz while watching the world go by. From historic churches and Roman ruins to the modern marvel of the sea organ, Zadar offers a little bit of everything. If you enjoyed this journey through Zadar, Croatia, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more travel adventures. Drop a comment below. Have you been to Zadar, or is it now on your travel bucket list? Until next time, do viđenja.